The AIVOLT Electric Pressure Washer delivers impressive cleaning power with its high-efficiency 1800-watt motor, generating up to 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure. Designed with safety and eco-friendliness in mind, this pressure washer features an IPX5 waterproof rating and a total stop system that prolongs pump life by shutting off when not in use. Equipped with 5 versatile nozzles and a soap bottle, it can handle a variety of cleaning tasks, from cars to decks, efficiently and effectively. The energy-efficient design includes an automatic pump shutoff feature and a 35-foot power cord, ensuring both energy conservation and extended motor life. Weighing in at just 21 pounds, its portable design with mounted wheels allows for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for any cleaning job. The user-friendly pistol-style grip with a trigger spray wand ensures that even challenging cleaning tasks are completed with ease.